everyone, and welcome back to another video at my YouTube channel and blog. Today I'm going to show you some items that I've gotten in from some recent orders that I've placed, and this is the Mother's Day kit from Simon. It's not part of the monthly subscription. It is just one of those extra kits that they do every so often. So let's get started with the extra stuff that I got here. I got the Artist Impressions Watercolor Flower Set 3. I got this die, Happy Birthday die. I like the script of it and I like the size of it. I needed a birthday die, and I think that one was on sale. The coupon code is still SPR5F. That's good through 5/1. And then I got this stamp set. It's called Messages for Every Day. And it really just has a lot of just things that are not normally sometimes on stamp sets. I adore you. You're the best friend ever. I'm thinking about you. Happy birthday. I'm here for you. Thanks for being there. I'm so proud of you. I hope you're okay. Let's get together. Good luck today. I love you more. I'm thinking of you today. Have a good time. Congratulations. Yay, you did it. Everything will be alright. You rock. We're lucky to have each other. Enjoy your trip. Missing you more each day. Hey, what you doing? I love you so much. Way to go. I'm sorry I missed your birthday. Thanks. Thanks for celebrating with us. Let's do this. I hope everything works out. Feel better. We're two peas in a pod. Can't wait to see you. You're so kind. I just thought those had a lot of really unique sentiments in it. Messages for every day. So I picked that up. I think that was also on sale. And this was I shopped the sale category at Simon, can you tell? I thought was a really cool stencil that could be used for spring or fall. Maybe not so much winter because it has leaves, but spring and fall for sure. It's called New Beginnings. So I just thought it was pretty. And then this background stamp, it was also on sale. It's called Center Cut Flowers. And it's called Center Cut because the center of it pops out. You can use it just like this, solid, or you can pop out the center. And you've got this little piece you can use, or this, which is kind of like a reef now, that you can use. So, Center Cut Flowers. Okay, so that's all of the miscellaneous stuff that I got. And like I said, most of this stuff was on sale at Simon. Now for this Mother's Day kit. This is a kit, has a lot of different things in it. Okay, sucker. I have learned the blue ones are not that good. Anyway, oh, I've been wanting one of these. This is one of those BIRCH envelopes. It's real wood, and I just had really wanting to feel one of these and try it. It's really cool. That's cool. I forgot one of those was in there. This is a Nina Desert Storm envelope. That's like a 4-bar size. You get this little mini white envelope. That's 4-bar too. That. And then a metallic Simon envelope. Got this real pretty sequin set, like the peaches, clear, and gold. I really like that color scheme. That's really cool. Some Puffy Gold Heart, Maggie Holmes. It's awesome. This mom die. It's the scripty mom as well as the shadow. So that's cool. We've got this 6x6 paper pad. Just really love the peach and gold together. Oh, those hearts are really cute. It's pretty. Oh, I like that. Oh, and it's double-sided too. That's neat. I like that. These are really pretty. All these are really pretty. I like that. So that's very pretty. Okay, we get this background stamp, Flower Explosion. And it's definitely that. A lot of different flowers in there. So we'll see what we can do with that. And then we get this large stamp set. It's called Mom's Clematis. Probably didn't say that right. But it's this flower. You get an I love you, I'm so glad you're my, you can put mama or mom or mother. Words cannot begin to explain how much you love and support has meant to me. I'm thankful every day that it is you who has supported and loved me throughout my life, encouraging me to keep going even when I think I can't, challenging me to do better, forgiving my mistakes, celebrating my achievements, all while loving me through thick and thin. I want you to know that I love you and appreciate you. I don't know how I would make it through life without you. I admire everything about you. One day I hope to become the kind of person I see in you. Thanks for being Thanks for showing me how to be a better person. It's because of you that I am who I am today. You are incredible in every way possible. Thank you for being my example in life and loving me for who I am. Through the good and the bad, you're always there for me. Very cool stamp set. Oh, let's see. This is Die Cuts with a View. Let's see, where am I? Okay, these are called paper lace sheets. There's 30 of them, and what they are is die cut images. So it's pre-die cut. All the little matrix is still in there and everything. These foil ones are really pretty. And so there's 30 of them in total. Some green underneath there too. We'll have to play with these soon. Don't want to disturb it too much and get the mess all over my desk. Okay, these are some of those, it looks like some of those thickers, stickers. Cute, sweet, XO, love. These are neat. Okay, and then the cardstock we got this pretty textured green cardstock. Got an ivory and looks like a Nina Desert Storm. We've got a bottle of Nuvo Crystal Drops in bright gold. And we've also got these cute little wooden spools of trims. We've got the pink, and this green. It's very soft, kind of velour kind of trim. So those are real pretty. Be nice accents on your cards. So this is the Mother's Day card kit. I believe it is still available, and these are all the fabulous goodies that you get with the card kit. I'll have everything linked in the video description below for all the products, the kit, as well as kit questions and answers, subscription to the regular monthly kits, and as many of these products as I can link to individually that I can. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.